a magician hand the loop out to be examined, they would never let you examine the rope. No, they would never. It'll ruin the secret. Anyways, all right. I'm gonna put the ends back on. This is the fast way of putting the ends back on. Right, that's the quick way. This is the slow way. You see the ends, they slowly start to separate, and you have the ends over here, the loop over here. Now watch them go back on. I just go like this, and it happens in your head. It might break your brain a little bit, but this is gonna become one piece of rope. You guys see that? Once you see it, it just is, right? It just is one piece of rope. Ladies and gentlemen, I got one more trick. This is my grand finale. I'm only gonna do it if you want to see it. You guys ready for the grand finale? Say yes.
Yes.
Are you guys having a good time? Say yes.
Yes.
Are you guys gonna tip me $20 at the end? Say yes.
No.
Alright. Anyways, you guys, this is gonna be the last trick I do. I just want to know, do y'all want to see something really good or amazing? Amazing, awesome. So normally I get a volunteer. It's usually like a really small child because I'm like really awkward with adults. So since there's no kids here, I'm still gonna need someone to volunteer something. You want to help? Okay, because for this trick, I just need someone to let me borrow a $20 bill.
I took a video of you. Go.
Oh, you are Polish money. Okay, yeah, that's how much Polish money? The 20, that's like 2 cents. Okay. Okay. Let's see if somebody has a $20 bill on them. If you have a 20, hold it up in the air. I won't keep it. It's just for the show. I will give it back. I promise you. I appreciate you offering the 20 Polish note, though. So if you have a 20, go ahead, hold it up in the air. It's not for me. It's just for the show. I will give it back to you. If you have a 20, go ahead, take it out right now. You will save the show. Look at that. Everybody's leaving now. Wait, this guy's got a 20. Give a round of applause.
Magic.
You saved the show. Sorry, give me that 20. Let me see that 20. Thank you so much. What is your name?
Daniel.
Daniel, thank you so much. All right, now I just need a 50. Does anybody? All right, Daniel, you trust me with that $20 bill.
Go ahead.
That means a lot. I'm gonna give you a great finale, something you'll remember forever. Now, Daniel, I need you to take this Sharpie marker, and would you just sign your initials on it right there? He's gonna put his initials, and he's also gonna put his credit card number. I'm just kidding. All right, there it is. Can you do it a little bit bigger for me? Because this is like a big show. We need people to really see it. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's perfect. There you go. There's Daniel's initials on the 20. Can everybody come up to the rope? This is a close-up trick. Just move your feet, your body will follow. It's called walking. All right, now, Daniel just signed his name on a $20 bill, and I'm going to show you guys something you'll remember forever. Thank you, Daniel, for volunteering your 20. At the end of my show, I'm going to open up this bag. I just need to leave this with somebody who I could trust. I do have a trusty face out here. Let's see. I'm going to trust... and you, sir, what's your name?
Adam.
Adam? I trust you, Adam.
Sounds good.
Where are you from?
Texas.
Okay, well, I need someone I can trust.
From Texas.
Do you know Daniel?
No, I don't.
Okay, good. All right, here. Hold on to it, because then people are going to think, oh, these guys are working together. All right. Now, ladies and gentlemen, he's going to keep the bag. He's going to keep it safe. When we open up the bag, that'll be the end of the show. All right. Now, before we end the show, I show you guys something with a $20 bill. Watch this. Here we go. Everybody watch. Just watch. Just watch. That's all you have to do is just watch. No talking. Just watching. All right, here we go. Watch. All right. Watch. Here we go. Watch this. Come on. It disappeared. It's gone. Okay. That was pretty cool. Yeah. You guys want more? Yeah. All right, Daniel, can you have another 20?
No.
Do that again. That was a joke, Daniel. All right, Daniel.
Half 10.
That was a joke. That was a joke. No, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna bring back Daniel's $20 bill. Before I end the show, though, check this out. Check this out, you guys. I'll show you guys the world's greatest card trick. Here we go. Watch this. Watch this. There's a reason why they call me the world's greatest card magician. Watch this. That was a riff. Okay. Watch, it gets better. Check this out. This is a waterfall. Okay, nobody gives a damn. All right. All right. All right. Yeah. See how this is weird. This is nice. This sucks right here. All right. Now, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to bring back Daniel's $20 bill. Now, real quickly though, I'm going to show you guys a card trick. It's a really good card trick, and I'm one of the few performers who actually does this. Now, this is actually a mind reading effect, meaning I'm going to read somebody's mind. Let's see, sir, what's your name? Marcus. Say it again, Marcus. All right. Now, Marcus, you are going to help me out with this, okay? All I need you to do is just think of any card. Think of one. All right. Now, I'm going to go deep inside of this guy's mind. You see, Marcus, he's got a pretty dark past. He's got a sick imagination. I could come back scarred just for doing this. Alright. Here we go. This is my prediction right here. Now, for the first time, Marcus, name your card.
Two of clubs.
The two of clubs. Now, Marcus, yes or no, is this your card? There it is. There it is. I got it. All right, hold on. Now, Marcus, look, you thought of a card, right? Now, the card that you thought of, I just can't. What do you say? The three of clubs?
Two.
Oh, the two of clubs. Okay, hang on. Wait a minute. All right, I think it's missing from the deck. But since this is kind of like a placeholder, watch the card, okay? Look. If I give it a little rub.
Wow.
That was pretty good, but hold on. We still have some unfinished business. Daniel, earlier in the show, you signed your name on a $10 bill.
$20.
I made it disappear.
$20.
All right, it's $20. All right, now everybody's wondering what exactly happened to the money. Well, I'll tell you. You see, the money, it disappeared. But you can't destroy energy. That means it went somewhere. It went all the way up in the air. I need everybody looking up right now. At the same time. All right. Here we go, watch. It went all the way up in the air. It came back down. It hit the ground. It bounced off. It hit the street light. It hit the building. That one right there, the Seattle shop. Came around, hit some of these taller buildings. Then it came back to us. And it just stood there watching us before it began to fall. You won't believe what happened next. You see the card landed inside of this guy's shirt pocket. But it didn't stop there, it kept going. That would have been good, huh? I can't believe you bothered looking. Come on, man. I'm not David Copperfield. Come on. All right. You guys, here it is. The end of the show. Your name name again?
Adam.
Adam, okay. Adam, you've been protecting the bag. Thank you so much for protecting the bag. Now, inside of that bag, I've got something that's going to change you. You'll be a different person after this. So, Adam, would you just toss the bag up to my hands on the count of 3? It's okay. We all make mistakes, right? I should have handed it to somebody else.
Not someone from Texas.
All right, guys, I'm about to open up the bag. Real quickly, before I end the show, let me just introduce myself. I think that's important. My name is Rob. I'm a traveling street entertainer. You see, this is my job. That was the same reaction my parents gave me. Now, look, I love what I do. My job is to bring people together. I love what I do. There's a lot of bad days, a lot of tough days, but I still come out and give y'all my best. I wouldn't want to do anything else. Street performing brings people together, and when we come together, we create memories. And that's the magic of live art. But the only way to keep it alive is through your support. You see, at the end of my show, I'm going to hold down my basket. I won't come to you. Find it in your heart to come forward and leave a donation in my basket. Now, you decide what you think the show is worth. If I made your day, a generous donation would make my day. If you put a 5, a 10, maybe even a 20, it'd make a huge difference in my life. I'm not a big corporation. You allow me more opportunities to come back and create more memories for more people. And if you don't have any money, don't worry. There's an ATM over there. Now, you guys, save the walk. You can just scan this code and tip me digitally. That's my Venmo. I'll leave it right here. Anyways, that's the speech, but what's in the bag? Everybody's asking themselves, what could be in here? Now I'm going to show you guys what it is.
How mad you gonna be if it's not your 20?
All right.
I saw his father.
You guys ready?
Last time I came. It was
Now,
super
Daniel,
amazing.
watch this. You're going to like this. Inside of the bag, there's
Yeah,
a lemon.
It's gonna be inside.
That's not it. Hold on. I'm going to cut the lemon open, and then I'm going to end my show. Thank you guys again for stopping. Hang on. Oh, I don't know. Does anybody have a cutting knife? I just got to cut this. You guys act like you see this every day. Anyways, here's the lemon, here's the dinner knife, and now the finale. Here we go, I'll get it right. There we go, all right. Now, inside of the lemon, deep inside, I've got a memory you'll talk about forever. I don't know if you can see that, but inside of that lemon there's a bill. That's amazing, but I know why you guys aren't clapping yet. This could be any bill. This can only be a good show if this is...
Yeah, it's
Your bill.
$100.
That'd be great if it was $100, because that means it's not yours.
I'll take it.
But let's see. Daniel, come on over here.
Okay.
I just want you to verify, is this your same exact $20 bill? There it is. There it is. Come on, it's got to save on it. Make some noise. Hey guys, we would have not had this finale without Dennis. Everybody give him a big round of applause. There you go. That's for you. Oh, is that for me? Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. That was very kind of you, Daniel. Unfortunately, he's not paying for any of you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for watching. I give you all my heart. This is my hat. Come forward, support the art. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Appreciate that.